Never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
People, today is the day. Today is the day. Today's the day for what, babe?
I eat some food.
So he's finally gonna. You're gonna just cut a hand of banana,
Yes,
right?
I put a banana for that, and I cook some food.
Yeah. So this is this is our dinner today.
I eat from the backyard.
Yes, from backyard to kitchen. Finally. Finally. Let me come round. Some nice soft banana. People, I don't like them when they're big and tough. I like them when they're nice and soft. Well, look at that. Yeah. Man, you see all this the stain.
No problem, man. Yeah, my peeps.
So this is for dinner tonight. This is for dinner this evening.
Yeah, man. Cook some banana,
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Fresh green banana from the backyard.
Yes.
That's what we talk about over the years, though. See it now?
Yeah, so plenty still left up there. But yes, this is us today.
Yeah.
From backyard to kitchen.
Never can get an hour two for that.
Exactly.
But you have cook some banana this evening. That's everything there.
But out here, look at this. So I've come back from England and look what can you see? Oh my gosh, can you see this, people? Can you see this? I can't wait. I cannot wait. I'm looking forward to this. See them tiny little mangoes.
Yeah, I don't know.
Look. Oh my. Everywhere. Go around. Yeah, man. Look.
Bunches.
Tiny small bunch. Yeah.
Full, man.
Yeah, see more there? Yeah. Looking forward to that. But today, it's all about this. Yeah. All about this. Yes, guys.
Yeah, man, I eat that, man. Banana there from right in the backyard. And remember that I'm showing where they have people?
Yeah.
We buy them on the road there.
Yeah, in St. Anne's Bay.
They're one of the best eating yam, I tell you, man.
We had some, didn't we?
Oh, I'm telling you, I'm going to tell you what they are, man.
A couple of days ago.
Good old yams. Yeah. These things just, you know.
And these people, this I like to see, with all the dirt and everything on it.
Yeah, natural thing.
Natural.
Yeah.
I don't want it too clean and on the outside looking.
Like you're pretty up here. I'm not pretty, I'm not pretty, I'm going to dirt.
Yeah.
So if you understand the earth. Alright, we are going to this now. That's one man peel and waste here, man.
You've seen that, haven't you?
Yeah, I'm going to work so.
No, peel it thick.
Peel
like,
it thick and the whole of the yam in the skin.
In the
yeah,
skin.
that's for that. You must be crazy. We don't peel them so. I know some mama sons will peel them. I'm going to peel them nice boy. Yes. You're going to peel the yam good. All these things. Yeah. Someone chop off a big chunk of the yam. So what you do? You don't work so. You don't work so, man. You know, them split I go. I go for them and take them out. Yes, that's something there. Yeah, mama and papa teach me something, yeah. I tell papa and me, my grandfather, you know. Yeah, my mother and my grandfather teach me about peeling of food and all them something there. Yeah, my mother and my grandfather. You really am so near cut it? Yes. Yes. Good on yams. Yeah. We put the yam in a boiling water, you know. Get everything good, you know. And everything go. Round the way swing go. Yeah.
Banana time.
Yeah, man. Fresh green banana, man. A few finger banana first. So we think go. Share with there, you know, so we have to eat some yam and banana, you know. Have a look first. Yeah. Everything go. You know, everything go, you have to look mark here, you know. You don't go down too deep in the because the banana there, white. That means it's soft like
Like what? It's soft.
Yeah, it's soft, like cotton candy.
Okay.
Yeah, see what it is? Very soft. So when you put it in a pot right now neither. You get the yam look time to go and boil. Because we put it, they were cooked before the yam long time.
Soft, yeah.
So when you really forgot we don't want that. So we give them a time in, you know. And then we sign in, you know.
Time to peel banana.
Yeah, see them thing? Take them and peel them. Them there.
Guys, who can't peel banana?
You can't peel banana.
I'm just asking, who can't?
Oh.
That's what I'm just asking the general. I'm asking the viewers.
Wait, yeah, you know what I didn't want to answer you? Yeah. The banana young and soft. And yes, then easy to peel. Yes.
Not them big tough
You
ones.
know, so you give you a problem to peel. Look how easy you want to come off.
Yeah.
Easily.
Alright guys, so we're in the kitchen together today. The Outlaw's taking care of the food, the yam and the banana. I'm taking care of the chicken, curry chicken. So I'll soon show you my pot in a minute, right?
You understand?
So we do this a lot. We cook together.
Yes, man. We do everything together, people.
Yeah.
Yes. Sometimes you be without me.
Right guys, so there's Mr. Outlaw's pot. Pot is bubbling. Here is my pot. Pot is bubbling. And curry chicken. I won't make the pepper bust, but it's strong. It's hot. You can smell it. You hear it in the background? Yeah, so there's my pot there.
From last week, we had pepper.
From last week.
That smelly pepper from
Yeah,
last
I
week.
showed you a pot. Yeah.
Make sure so them you don't stick up down there so fast. Okay, so them good.
Yeah.
So then yam the yellow people? Yeah, real yams. Alright, I want to see, man. Hey, that's something here. People remember that's something I done. Good old Gungo beef. So we have green and dry right as well. That was separate during a little while, but remember that's something here. See there? So these are, wait, these are, I'll teach you what to do like these, eh? I'll tell you that's something big. You're up on the right track still, but I was just saying like, who taught you?
What do you mean you taught me?
No, no, like that, man. The one these are, she can go on like, she want to go on to fully loaded, you see.
Fully loaded?
When you come on to certain things, you know. Yeah, she watch her.
That was a bit bad.
Not bad still. She had to get her from you. The girl.
So I want to see you do it there.
Yeah, maybe. It's Gungo that, you know. Real old Gungo. You know, so that bad near rice, you know. I mean, to tell you. You know, the coconut blend with the Gungo there with the rice there. Blemmings. Really blemmings.
See how it does come. And that's in the dry ones. So the green ones there. A couple green ones and just set them out. Just there. Shelling peas. Shelling Gungo peas.
Shellings, man. Not shellings. Shellings.
We're going to pick some more in a minute. Pick some more green one.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Yes, guys. Gungo peas. Alright, yes, people. To the tree here. So Mr. Outlaw's going to come and pick some more. You see. Let me check the wait, look, can you see them, guys? Which ones are you picking? The dry one?
Dry and green.
Dry and green.
Yeah. Get together all the
See
food.
them? Can you see them, guys? Let me see.
Your dry one,
Yeah. See them? So the gardener on the compound planted these. He's very green finger. Everything he plants
They want to get on the plant. All of this.
comes to
fruition.
fruition. Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's in
Very
plant.
green fingers. Let me see how much you got in there. Very green fingers.
Yeah, man. It's good like that. Just give him anything for plant.
Yeah.
It's coming.
Yeah, man.
No, indeed, what indeed.
It's good to live in a place where you can just pick things and then just use things.
Here's the Gungo there. See there?
Yes, people. See there? See him picking away. Look how much he's got now. Going on good. Going on good.
I'm around.
Yeah.
There's a lot of gungo on the street. Crazy gungo there.
Mm-hmm.
Green and dry.
Okay, so this is what we're working with
Yeah.
to add to the ones that we just did. Yeah. Come like you just want to pick the whole tree. Honestly.
No, well, that's some man, but so that's a gungo there for now. Hey, that's something there.
Yes guys, so this is what we've got. We're going back in with this.
Yeah, good. There's enough people around the place so we can pick up a few little things around the place. Yeah, we have one banana tree, we have one jelly tree. But this gungo tree there on the compound where anybody can go and pick some gungo.
Yeah.
So right now stay there with it, so we are work with it. Yeah, we good like that, man. Place very fruitful. So what's up tree, the whole works. And all these shit for the place. So we are work with it. Gungo.
Alright guys, do you remember the peas that Outlaw and I were shelling yesterday? See them here in the pot? Yes. Rice and peas on the Sunday. Yes. Gungo peas is right there. Little fish frying. Yeah, fried fish day today. Yeah. Hey everyone, so it's a few days later. So I think the last clip you just saw was on Sunday when I did rice and peas with the dry gungo. So now it's Thursday today. So we can't waste, all right? We can't waste any of the peas. So we've got the green gungo peas here. So we're gonna make green gungo pea soup today. Yeah, gungo pea soup using the green peas. So we've got some smoked turkey neck. So that's what's gonna go in our soup today. I know traditionally people use pork and beef for gungo pea soup, but you know we don't eat those things. So, or chicken foot, I don't eat chicken foot, so it's gonna be smoked turkey neck. Alright, smoked turkey neck, we've got the green gungo peas, we've got everything else, you know, coconut milk and little, what's this, cocoa, we've got some yam somewhere, got a piece of yam somewhere about the place, skillet and thyme and pumpkin and a few bits and pieces. So yes guys, looks Irish. So I'm gonna be making some green gungo pea soup. So yes, when it's done or maybe midway through, I'll show you guys what we're doing. This is kind of a foodie vlog, isn't it? I think everything in this vlog is about food, isn't it? Yes, we love a belly, people. We love a belly, but no joke. Yes guys, so green gungo peas loading now. Green gungo pea soup loading now. Okay guys, so let's have a look at the soup so far. This is what it looks like. It hasn't really reached anywhere yet. So all that's in there is the smoked turkey neck, the peas, carrots, with the peas there, peas, carrots, pumpkin, yeah. That's been boiling for about 25 minutes or so. So you know it's just the start of the soup process. You know, we've got everything else to go in, the food and the seasonings and everything else. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like so far. Okay. Alright guys, so update. Look there, food is in. See the yellow colour? So in there's cocoa, yam, Irish. Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna put good old coconut milk. We didn't have any dry coconut in the front of our house. We didn't have any dry coconut at the front of the house. And we didn't pick up no dry one from the market, so can today. Guys, update. So this is what it's looking like now. It's bubbling, it's not ready yet, just the bubble. So there's the food in there, the seasonings in there, thyme, scotch bonnet, there's pumpkin, yam, what else? Dasheen, Irish, some wheat, some small wheat dumplings, very small dumplings.
Yeah, they're really dumpling them, man. I'm 50 pot for you, I'm going to look for you. For me.
50 pot. Dumplings, one cock soup in there, some coconut milk in there. Yes.
Yeah, my people, she's shot, you know?
But look at it, it's so full. But it's not ready yet. It needs a good.
She bad to be, I tell you she bad like that.
It needs a good time to.
Yeah, man, really soon she the pan. Remember them soup on Saturday.
It needs a good time to cook down. Yeah.
So when you go to look at them, put more this in there.
No.
This one is
got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.